Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a deposit promo code in Pocket Option. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to pocketoption.com. From here, you sign into your account. Now, once we've signed into our account, we need to go ahead and hover over your profile or click on your profile in the top right hand corner of the page. You'll see your profile. To the right of that, we've got different tabs. Go ahead and click on the deposit tab here. Now it will say account top up. So go ahead and choose your deposit method. This can be anything from Teva, UPI, Binance Pay, GPay, Visa, MasterCard, etc. So say for example, I'm going to use Visa card, MasterCard. What we can do is scroll down here and then promo code. It will say to add in a promo code. Now, there are some terms and conditions for this. So minute deposit to activate promo code is $150 for where I'm located in Australia, and max bonus amounts available with this promo code is 7,480. That's not a bad number, by the way. So yeah, just basically come here, put in your promo code, and then that's going to automatically add that to your account when you make your deposit.